Before the Vici was installed, we were checking predominantly with micrometers and calipers and gauges on the smaller end of the turn parts. The bigger parts we could put on the CMMs, and that was fine. But the small parts, which in some cases we're doing in thousands and thousands, were done manually. It was long-winded and it would take a long time. We're now in a position where we wouldn't want to be without the Vici on our shop floor. We wanted to speed up inspection. We wanted to remove the bottleneck. We wanted to be able to check features that we couldn't have checked before. The Vici has delivered time and time again. It's delivered. It's quick. It's intuitive. It's easy, and it allows you to check things that you cannot check on CMMs. You cannot check with manual equipment on small parts in particular. But even on larger parts, there are still features that we can't check any other way. If you put jobs through and it's taken half a day to do, we swap it to the Vici and it's suddenly taking 30 minutes. You know it's a cost saving. Hi-Spec Precision is based in Rutland, smallest county in the UK. We formed in 2004, so I've been going 22 years now. We serve all sorts of customers, general industry, general subcontract parts. Our core values really are to do the best we can. We want to produce the best quality parts. We want to produce those quality parts in the most competitive way. We'd like to fly the UK-made engineering flag. We keep investing in CNCs to make the parts quicker, to make them more complete, but it wasn't solving the bottleneck in the inspection. And we did eventually get to the point where the only way I could see to solve that bottleneck was to put a Vici inspection system in. It's pretty much removed all of the manual checking we do, and a lot of the in-process inspection we do is now on the Vici as well. Because of the challenges getting staff, we're trying to find every piece of equipment that will take time out of a job, that will not need staff interaction on. What I think is a good idea doesn't always translate onto shop floor. In this instance, the staff have no issues at all. It's so easy, it's so quick. If anything, it means that it takes responsibility off the operators.
So the Vici machine we use is the Prima 614. When it comes to quality inspection is really handy. There's a visual representation of telling you if something is under tolerance or over tolerance or on point. I think just for having all the data in front of you, especially as if you've got a part that's got a very tight tolerance, you can really check the data on it in terms of there might be quite a few decimal places after. So you can really see how specific something is.
Crazy to think that we can zoom in on a part to such an extent that we can measure 0.2 radii from the tiniest of features. It's highlighted some areas where we can't physically see the part with the naked eye or the feature, and it's allowed us to correct the programs on the CNCs to achieve what they should be that previously we weren't able to physically see.
When we're measuring threads, you have a whole preset of thread measurements on there. You can put it on, scan the thread, and within a few seconds you've got all the diameters you need. Centrality of parts, so for example, if you have a hole going through the middle of a part, if you turn it to scan the hole in the middle, it's very easy to tell how off center it is or not, whereas before, again, you'd be doing it manually, so you're not 100% sometimes.
The software is so easy and so intuitive that my guys were up and running after less than a day's training, and the backup and support as we've tripped over things that have stumped us has been flawless. We've been helped on the phone with programming, you've dialed in, helped us remotely. I can't fault you. We would more than happily recommend the VICIVISION and the Shopfloor group to anyone looking for this type of equipment. If anyone is unsure about using this kind of level of technology, whether it would be the best fit for them or it would give them what they need, then to be fair, they can rest easy, because keeping up with the modern technology is the way to be competitive, and this ticks all the boxes. It's a great piece of gear and we wouldn't be without it.